Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything and we are back with another video. And guys, in this video we'll be going to do the unboxing and the review of these JBL budget earphones, which are C50Hi, and they are actually recently launched. And so I thought let's do a review of these ones because they could be a new budget king. So this is the box itself, as you can see, and at the back we have some information like the pricing and all that stuff. So as you can see, they are 999, but you can get it from Amazon for rupees only 500, so that's nice. And yeah, so guys, what I'm talking about is that yeah, they could be the new budget king, because in budget range we have lots of earphones, like Boat has their own lineup. So yeah, let's see what kind of sound quality they offer and what are the new things we'll get to see in these ones. So let's just look at some of the accessories that we have. It's extra ear tips that we have as usual, so that's nice. And these are some of the leaflets which are useless as usual, so you don't have to pay attention to them. So yeah, that's actually what it is. So let me just keep aside all this stuff and we'll be looking at the earphones itself. So as you can see, these are the earphones itself, and as you can see in terms of looks, yeah, they look average. There's nothing special about these ones, and yeah, they are made up of plastic, I know guys, but at this price point you simply cannot complain. So guys, this is the 3.5mm headphone plug that we have. It's silver plated. Yeah, it could be better if it's gold plated, but at this price point, you know, and it's angular, so it is much safer than some of the earphones which have a straight one. So yeah, and in terms of cable quality, the cable quality guys is pretty much average, and it's pretty much similar to the CLR 100 from Audio Technica, but at this price point you will get this kind of cable quality guys, because yeah. And if you're kind of a rough user, then I would not recommend you these earphones, because if you use it roughly then it can break, but I'm not sure. But yeah, the cable quality is average, so you have to be aware of that. And this is a microphone module that we have, and yeah, it's made up of plastic, but the clickiness of this button is actually pretty cheap, but it does the job pretty well, and I don't even have any kind of a serious complaint with this one. And guys, if I just talk about the microphone quality, then the microphone quality is actually really good. I haven't expected that much good microphone quality, but yeah, if you play games or want to record voiceovers or do something with the microphone, then this is the pretty good microphone that you can use. So yeah. And now guys, if I talk about the build quality and the comfortability of these earphones, then in terms of build quality, yeah, the build quality is good, but not the best I've seen. Yeah, they made up of plastic, but at this price point you can't complain. Yeah, build quality of these earphones is just average, but the cable quality is a little bit bad. But if you can use it carefully, then nothing is gonna happen. They will be totally fine. So if you're comfortable with that, then you can go for it. And in terms of comfortability, then guys, they are actually really good, and these are actually the best earphones in this price range which are this much comfortable. Because if you're a person who likes to watch movies for a long time, or who wears earphones for a long time, then these earphones are actually good for you. They will give you really nice comfortability, and you will not feel any kind of pain or anything like that. So yeah, that's nice, because ear tips are also pretty much soft. So yeah, that's actually what it is. And now let's just come on to the most important thing, which is sound quality of these earphones. Then this is the part where they really shines. Yeah, I have to say they are the new budget kings we have, and they are the best earphones that you can get under rupees 500, because the sound quality guy is really good. The bass is actually a little bit increased, I would say. So if you're a person who like bass in their music, then they are the best for you. And the quality of the instruments and the lows and highs are actually pretty much balanced, and that is actually really rare to see earphones in this price range that have balanced sound signature. So yeah guys, that's what it is. If you want to buy earphones and rupees 500, then these are the best for you. The sound quality is not the you just simply cannot compare these earphones with the C200 Si or some other earphones which are much expensive than these ones, but at this price point this is the best sound quality that you can get. And if I just compare it with boat earphones, then they have a really nice sound, and if you like to play games on your smartphone or your PC, then they will do a pretty good job. So yeah guys, that's actually what it is. And if you just want to buy these earphones guys, then I have the link in the description below. You can just head over to that link and buy these earphones from that link. It does help the channel out. And if you just simply like this video guys, then just hit that like button. If you dislike, you know what to do, but if you like, then get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really helpful and it will be much appreciated. And yeah, bye, goodbye, see you later, peace.